So I wanted to record this video as checkpoint for this channel. If you're here, you know that I most talk about no-code development using, more specifically, using Bubble. But now I'm learning more about AI development with tools like Bold, Lovable, and Cursor, more focused on the combo of Lovable and Cursor because I believe it's the best combo ever. Like you will see in the next videos that I will record, that is just game changer for me at least. But I wanted to record this video because I'm hearing a lot of people now saying that AI development will kill no-code development. And when I started to think about recording these videos, talking more about and teach more about Lovable, Cursor, AI, I was thinking to myself, okay, I am just feeding this fear that no-code developers are having to lose their jobs, their projects for AI development. And I'm here to say that this is not going to happen. I hardly believe that this is just another tool on our toolbox. The same way that we still have people building websites using traditional code, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, people using WordPress, Wix, Webflow, Framer, and we have a lot of people using Bubble to build native apps. Even though we have Flow, we still have people trying to get more from Bubble's backend, even though we have Xeno and Supabase that are pretty easy to learn and they are way more scalable for the backend side. And so we see that we have all these tools, and every time that a new tool shows up, we have a lot of people saying, hey, Flow will kill Bubble. Wix will kill WordPress. Oh no, now that we have Webflow, no one else will use Wix. And this would always happen. The reason why I wanted to bring more videos about AI development, more specifically with Lovable and Cursor, because I'm in love with this combo. I'm gonna be honest. I can be even a little biased because I am in love with Lovable and Cursor. But the one thing that I wanted to say is I'm just bringing more. I will bring more about this because for a long time I have learned other no-code tools like Flow, WeWeb, and I never had this feeling of, okay, this is so interesting that I need to share. Yeah, when I started learning Flow, I built a project and it was pretty cool to see that we could build a web development, an app, a mobile app, a native app using a no-code tool that was something native. We have like local storage, we have native access to the camera, we had native access to the gallery, we had native access to the GPS of the device, and we have all these other features that we don't have with Bubble that is focused on web development. But even though it wasn't something that, okay, this is so interesting that I want to learn deeply and I want to be an expert in Flow. But with AI development, with Lovable and Cursor, I feel that I want this. And this is the same reason why I started this YouTube channel, because I was so interested in learn Bubble. I remember even before the YouTube, I was like spending days just learning how to be better in Bubble. Even now, if I think my last Bubble, the email that they sent us saying how many days that you worked like straight, right? And I think mine was like 60 something or 80 something. I don't remember. Probably 60. I think 80 is too much. But like I spent 60 days in a row every single day opening Bubble, either to learn something, either to test something, either to build something for my projects, my side projects, my clients' projects. So you see that I still very interested in learning more about Bubble. Now I'm learning a lot about plugin development with AI, which is something it feels like a new superpower. When I see something that I can't do natively in Bubble, and I think, okay, this is probably not going to be possible. Instead of just letting go this idea, I go to ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT to build the initial code for the plugin. I throw into the plugin editor. If kind of works, I keep pursuing this. And if it totally doesn't work, if it totally is not possible with the plugin, I'm not gonna bang my head trying to build this. But I have been able to build, I think now 5 or 6 plugins in Bubble using AI. So I think it's kind of AI development too. So yeah, I just wanted to record this video to say I will keep learning more about Bubble and Zeno. I'm very interested in how Zeno is bringing more features and more updates every month. We have like real time now that I remember before trying to build a chat using Zeno, and like I tried to build my own WebSocket. I wasn't able to, but now we have the real-time feature in Zeno, and then it's just incredible. It's just a real game changer for those that don't want to learn how to code and those that want a very robust backend for their Bubble apps. I think the same way that I believe that Lovable and Zeno and Lovable and Cursor are the perfect combo, I truly believe that Bubble and Zeno are the perfect combo for no code. If you want to build an app and you want to scale, you want to you know that you have a lot of users and you don't want to get rid of no code in the future, use Zeno. You're not gonna regret. I think they're awesome. They're always improving their platform, and it's also very easy to learn. I will try to bring more about this into this channel, but yeah, my focus will be now AI development. So more specifically with Lovable and Cursor, the AI development part, I will try to bring more reviews of other tools for people that don't want to learn how to code, or the minimum how to code, like the logic, the programming. And so yeah, if you're still interested in learning something that is, I believe that is the future, and I believe that is another tool on our toolbox, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button. And thank you for staying with me, and see you in the next video.